Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe so we can start your daily yoga practice today. This is a 5-minute video about how to start an at-home yoga practice for beginners. The way to do that is to start. 5 minutes, no props are needed. Bring the big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward. We're going to start in a child's pose. On an exhale, bring the forehead down to the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the quality of the breath. Arrive. All you have to do is be here now. Feel out everything you feel, every sensation that's touching the mat, that's the breath, that's knowing that you're here right now for a few minutes. Press up to a tabletop. Let's bring the knees underneath the hips and shift forward. Lie down on your stomach. Bring the left hand underneath the forehead. So rest your forehead on the hand and bring your right foot in for a quad stretch. Press your hips forward and down and breathe. In and out through the nose as best as you can. And switch sides. If you can't reach your foot, just bend the leg and breathe. Release. Press back up to a tabletop. And on a long exhale, back to a child's pose. Reach the arms away from you. Feel your hips sit back onto the heels. Sit up, press up to a tabletop, and then bring your feet out around in front of you. Bring the soles of your feet together. The knees are apart. Hold on to the outsides of your feet, shoulders down, and fold over the legs. It doesn't matter how far you go. Just feel everything, feel the breath. Be present. Sit up. Extend your legs out in front of you, but let's keep the knees soft. Interlace your hands, arms underneath the knees. Wherever you are is fine. Round the spine and just relax forward for a couple of breaths. Sit up. Seated position. Roll the shoulders back and down. Side body stretch. Left arm reaches up and over. Keep both sit bones down and try not to lean forward. One more reach. Switch sides. Left hand down. Right arm up and over. And both arms overhead. Inhale, look up, reach up. Lower the hands down. Thank you for joining me. If this was helpful, please let me know why, how, and until next time, namaste. There you go, you did it. 5 minutes. Right? Yeah. Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. Having a good time. Comment if you're still here, queen, and use a crown or a queen or something below if you feel like it. She's a killer queen. Quiller.